What is up, guys and gals? Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another product review. Tonight I want to kind of do a quick flash review. I've done this company about a week or two ago. He sent me something a little special this time, along with one of his new scents. I want to go over that real quick for you guys. If you're new to the channel though, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you watch the video and you like it, hit that big thumbs up. And of course, hit the notification bell for future uploads. Jirel over at BYB, Build Your Beard, out of Texas, has sent me something a little special. It's kind of awesome because I've never seen this like how it is. I've got these before, but this one's different. It'll make sense here in a second, guys. Don't worry. I'll show you his sticker real quick. Jirel sent me the first one. If you remember, the first oil, I believe it was Broberry, and the balm that he sent was Barbro Shop. Kind of unique names, pretty cool, just pretty cool, different. With this balm, the last balm was a little bit had a little bit of grit in it. Jirel has made a new recipe for the balm, and it's definitely tons better. It's a lot smoother. It's buttery smooth. Feels great in beard, as did the other one. Real quick, I'm going to read you guys off the ingredients. And the balms, I know the recipe has changed, but I don't know if the same ingredients are still in them though. The beeswax, mango, refried shea butter, apricot, argan, almond, vitamin E, and fragrance and essential oils. And in the oils, wheat germ oil, argan, avocado, vitamin E, and fragrance and essential oils. And what Jirel has sent me is pretty awesome. I've gotten these before, but as you guys can see, a cigar box that you guys get all sides of it. It's just really awesome looking. There's the bottom. And what's unique about this, there's the top. And what's unique about this is it opens like that. And this opens like that. And that has kind of like a shorter top. I just thought that was pretty cool. I never got a cigar box like that. So that's a nice touch. Jirel, thank you, brother. I appreciate that, man. This will definitely get used. It'll be put up to where everybody can see it. That comes in my studios / computer room. And also, what he sent me is a little keychain, little tool set, which makes sense. Build your beard. Pretty cool touch. Really, it's these little things, guys, that really set companies off. It's the little things, and it really is. And the scent he sent me is, like I said, it's one of his newer scents. It's called Monopoly. Check that out. And this scent is a Dior Savage fragrance. It's a cologne scent, and it's, man, this is probably, out of my whole beard oil collection, the cologne scents, this is probably my second or third favorite. It's just a real go out on the night, manly type. It's just hard to explain the cologne type scents. There's nothing fruity about this. There's nothing, I don't know, just a really nice manly scent. I'm not familiar with the Dior Savage fragrance scent, so if you're familiar with that, I'm going to assume that's what this smells like. But it is a manly scent. And the consistency is a medium weight, and it's clear. Man. And of course, goes great in beard. It's not too heavy. I don't get too much of a shine out of this one, but it does make my beard soft, non-greasy. It just feels great in beard. And his balm, like I said, he's got a new recipe. It's the same thing, the Monopoly. And I've used this a few times. And if you remember my last video of his old recipe, it was kind of gritty. But as you can see, this one's definitely much smoother, and there's absolutely no grit whatsoever. You do need to push a little bit on the balm to get some out. And this is about a medium hold balm. I would say it's light to medium hold. As you can see, it emulsifies down pretty good. And again, the scent just got a real like manly type scent to it. It's just really nice scent. Count how many times I said scent in this video, you win $1 million. Comment below. But Jarrell, I want to say thank you, brother, for sending out these products. I really do appreciate it. You cannot see any type of grit in that. And when I got it, it wasn't melted. I remember specifically because that day, I think it was a 90-degree day, but it was all good. I was quite pleasantly surprised with the cigar box he sent as well. So Jarrell, I thank you. I really appreciate that. Guys, he's a new company. I'll leave all his links in the description box below. He's got good ingredients. They feel great in the beard. The balms are light to medium hold. The oils work great in beard. Just overall, again, newer company, just killing it with their products. So, and you can even get yourself one of these awesome looking cigar boxes. That's just so neat. Check that out. I mean, it's the little things, guys. Always remember that. It's the little things. So thank you guys for sticking around, watching the review. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. Again, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help me out a little bit. Till the next review, guys. Peace.